Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to clear Instagram search history on. So let's head over to our Instagram application first. Once you are there, just head over to the search icon on the lower or the bottom section. And in here, just tap on the search bar. And here you'll see the recent searches. And if you want to see all of the recent searches, you have to just head over to the see all or tap on the see all option on the top right. Now here, as you can see, you find all of your recent searches or your search history in here. Now you have to tap on clear all to clear all of the search history on your Instagram. I'm tapping on clear all. Tap on clear all to confirm it. And once it is cleared, you can see there is no more search history in here and it is written empty search. So yeah, this is how you can clear a search history on Instagram. Hope this video helped you out and we'll see you in the next video.